Is your Wi-Fi connection always disconnecting? Then this 3 step will be helpful to you. All you need to do is just to go to your Wi-Fi connection, select your Wi-Fi, and then go to properties. For Windows 10, you will see properties. For Windows 11, you see this blue icon. Select this blue icon, and then our screen will pop out to you automatically. For your window, it will be to public. But for this video, if you want to set the connection private, all you need to do is just to select private, then restart the computer. Step 2, all you need to do is just to come to this search bar and search for power and sleep. Sleep settings, then you will see this power and sleep settings. All you need to do is just to select that. Then our screen will pop up. Go to additional power settings, select that. Then you will see change plan settings, select change plan settings. Then you see change advanced power settings, select that. Come to wireless adapter settings, select that. And then come to this power saving mode, select this plus sign. And then on battery performance, all you need to do is to change the medium power saving or whatsoever connection, change it to maximum performance. On this plug-in, change it to maximum performance and click on apply. Then restart your computer and try your connection. For step 3, all you need to do is just to come to this start menu, right click on it and go to device manager, select device manager, and then our screen will pop up. All you need to do, we are looking for network adapters, select network adapters and go to whatsoever connection you are connecting to. All you need to do is just to select that connection and right click on it, go to properties, select properties. Then now all you need to do is just to go to power management, select power management, and then uncheck this box, click on OK, and then restart the computer. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Joshua. I teach people how to solve different computer problems on their PC. So if this is your first time watching my video, all you need to do is like, comment, click on the notification bell, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.